Given that the market is down and you are a mutual fund investor, what should you do? Should you buy some more or should you stay away? Check this out. Before I begin, can we just give a round of applause also for Philam Asset Management for making this event possible? It's such an atmosphere like this where we have a chance to exchange information and exchange data. Because at the end of the day, in the world of investing and in the world of business, it's all about what you know and what you do with that information. Agree? Disagree? Why? Because processing that information will help you to preserve what you have and to also maximize what's there. In a world where there's so much uncertainty around, this is what I believe. The more convinced, the higher the conviction that you have in your investing, the better results you will have as well. You have to understand events like this is not normal. Why? We're not taught as Filipinos to talk about investments. Yes or no? It's something that's counterculture. And what I want is this. They introduced that I love investing in the stock market. I've been investing in the stock market for more than 11 years. But here's the thing. Please remember this, that above and beyond stocks, bonds, properties, time is even a larger asset. Can you lose money from investments? Yes or no? Yes. However, lost money, nababalik. Pero time, whenever you lose time, you can never take it back. No one can manufacture time anymore. Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, the richest people in the planet, they have billions attached to their name. Pero, we all have 24 hours. When a lot of people are scared, when a lot of people are panicking, you're the ones actually knowing what to do. Why? Because when you know what you do, you know what's happening, that's where profit also comes in. I really believe that investing in equities, investing in the stock market is something that is good not just for today, but it's something that's good year upon year upon year. It won't be good every year, but if you have your sights set on a goal, I really believe it's still one of the best ways to create wealth. Please remember this. Is hope a good thing? Yes or no? Hope is good, but it's not an investment strategy. You cannot place your entire portfolio with the hope that it will just go up. You cannot. And people are just speculating because a lot of people will buy it, it will go up. We're not yet there. The applications may be good, but as an investment, it's still at best still speculative. Because we don't know what its value is. That's why I love the stock market. Why? Think about it. When you invest in the stock market, you're buying companies. Yes or no? Yes. Jollibee stock went from 300 it's down to 270, 260 levels. The stock is from 300 up or down? Down, yes? But here's the thing. Even if Jollibee is down, I can value Jollibee because I know its assets. I know its liabilities. Alam ko utang nila. I know their cash flow. And from that, I can see the value of Jollibee that at this point in time, is it still cheap? Is it still worth holding? Should I actually sell? That's why in my own personal investments, I'm still heavy in the stock market. And just to give you context, so since the market is down, every time I mention stocks, just try to remember the funds that you're investing in. Because people get so stuck up that when you invest in funds, net asset value per share, yes? People see the volatility of that, but they fail to see that from the net asset value per share, you have stocks representing that, yes? However, you also have to move past that. Why? The net asset value per share is represented by stocks, but those stocks also represent companies. As long as the companies inside the market are still doing well, you shouldn't be scared. January 2017, start of the year, last year, the index was 6,840. And when I say the index, basket of 30 stocks representing the economy. Fast forward to the peak this year, the market intraday hit 9,000 plus, close at 8,900. If you factor that together, that's a 34% gain in that 12-month period. Can you follow? Local funds, foreign funds, retailers, they all have one idea, and their goal is to make money. Yes or no? Everyone's there to make money. When a lot of people have handsome rewards already, the logical step for some funds to do, especially foreign funds, is this. Uy, I made money in the Philippine market, I'll check everyone else. Why? Because this might be expensive, but this might be cheaper. Is it wrong for them to take profits on something that they made money off? Hindi naman. It's normal. It's part of the game. So because of that, at that point, 8,900, 9,000 early this year, we were one of the most expensive stocks in the region. Here's the thing though. Please remember this. In the stock market, in mutual funds, it's always a game of supply and demand. More buyers bring the prices up, and more sellers bring the prices what? Down. Meaning, at 8,900, at 9,000, when people sell, regardless if it's good news or bad news, when massive amounts of pesos get sold, markets go down. Can you follow? As it starts to go down, this is what I want to submit to all of you. Look at it from a level of price and value. Why? Ano yung bumabagsak? Every time bumabagsak yung market natin, is it price or value? Yung gumagalaw araw-araw is price. Even if the market drops to 7.2, 7.1, 6.9, it's just this side that drops, it's only price. Now, our responsibility as investors is to move past emotion. Why? It becomes emotional when you see the markets moving. It becomes emotional when you see the volatility. But you check. The price is down, but is the value still amazing? We may talk a lot about money, but I want you to prosper so much. Why? Because as you make more, it allows you to use money as a tool, that you use it to make a significant impact in the world around you. When people in the Philippines are so scared about what's happening, I want you to prosper so much that when people will see that more people are prospering here, they can actually say that, hey, it can be done. That people will actually believe that the stock market, equity funds, are a way for you to also build wealth for the future. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much for having me. God bless you all.